The Harpy Eagle is one of the largest and strongest eagles on earth. But strength is not only in size, it is in balance, in purpose, in restraint. With a broad chest, powerful legs, and eyes that observe more than they reveal, the Harpy Eagle belongs to the forest as much as the trees themselves. This bird is not made for open skies. It is made for dense life. Unlike eagles that soar endlessly above oceans or plains, the harpy eagle flies through tight spaces. Its wings are shorter and broader, allowing it to move between branches through shadows without disturbing the forest's silence. It does not rush. It does not waste energy. Every movement has meaning. The talons of the harpy eagle are massive, among the largest of any living eagle. But these talons are not symbols of cruelty. They are tools of survival. The harpy eagle hunts only what it needs. No excess, no dominance display. In nature, real power is quiet. The harpy eagle does not hunt like a monster. It does not attack blindly. It sits still for long periods, watching. When the moment is right, it strikes swiftly, ending the chase before suffering begins. This is not violence, this is balance. Its prey includes tree dwelling animals such as sloths and monkeys, creatures that share the same forest home. Life feeds life, and the forest remains whole. One of the most beautiful truths about the harpy eagle is not its strength, but its patience. Harpy eagles raise only one chick at a time. The nest is enormous, built high above the forest floor. Parents invest years in a single life. They protect, they teach, they wait. In a world obsessed with speed, the harpy eagle chooses care. Despite its strength, the harpy eagle is vulnerable, not because of weakness, but because forests are falling. When tall trees are cut, nests disappear. When silence is broken, balance is lost. Even the strongest wings cannot survive without a home. Many fear this eagle because they do not understand it. Power without noise looks frightening to those who live in chaos. But the harpy eagle does not threaten humans, it avoids us. The real danger is not the eagle, it is forgetting how to live with nature. The harpy eagle does not rule the forest by fear, it lives by harmony. It takes only what it needs, it protects what it creates, it disappears when the forest disappears. If we protect the forest, the harpy eagle will remain watching silently from above, reminding us that true strength does not scream,